A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. If Jesus stand up before you right now and asks you what you want him to do for you, you'd have able to answer him quick and fast, or you'd have to stop and think about it. More you think about that. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you're not subscribed yet, please go ahead, click the subscribe button now and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right there. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 10 from verse 46 to verse 52. Jesus and him follower them reach at Jericho. When Jesus and him follower them and one big crowd of people did a left, one blind man named Bartimaeus, Timaeus boy, did sit down at the roadside a beg. When he hear say a Jesus from Nazareth a pass, him start for bawl out, Jesus, David boy pickney, take pity upon me. Enough people tell him to shut him mouth and tap him eyes, but him bawl out louder and louder. David boy pickney, take pity upon me. So Jesus tap and say, call him. So then call the blind man and tell him, say, take heart, get up, him a call you. The man fling off his jacket, jump up and go to Jesus. Jesus asks him, say, what you want me to do for you? The blind man answer him, say, teacher, I want to see. Jesus tell him, say, go on, cause you believe, you get better now. Same time the man eye them open up and he could have see and him follow Jesus down the road. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.